Hi there! Proactive Campaigns provides the statistics to analyze data collected. So let's delve deeper into it. To get started, go to the Statistics tab. On this page, you will find the following elements: the reporting period, colored indication blocks, the latest campaign section, and details of each campaign. While setting the reporting period, you can outline the start and the end dates to see all campaign statistics for that period. Also available to choose a specific time, such as the last 6 months, last 3 months, last month, or previous month. Rectangular blocks allow viewing statuses for all campaigns. Moreover, each color indicates at what stage campaigns are. Campaigns created confirms the total number of all created campaigns. Successful campaigns shows the number of successful campaigns. That means that they achieved receivers. Unsuccessful campaigns demonstrates the number of unsuccessful campaigns which were undelivered because of an error. Draft campaigns shows the number of campaigns that have been saved as drafts and are waiting to be sent. Total emails sent indicates the total number of sent emails within all created campaigns. Paused campaigns illustrates the number of paused campaigns you have stopped while running them. Unsubscribed users displays the number of users unsubscribed from emails. The two last blocks are informative, but available only with the email tracking app installed. Total emails read depicts the number of emails read by receivers among the total emails sent. Average reading percentage by campaign proves the percentage of emails read among the sent emails. At the bottom part of the page are depicted the 5 last campaigns and their statuses. If you want to see the full campaign list, click the Show button. To view additional campaign information, click on the icon in the Details column. Then you will see the campaign name and status at the very top of the page. The number of sent emails, the number of replied emails, indicator of emails read, read email and percentage, the subject and body of the emails, start and end date of the campaign, the selected list with contacts info for the campaign, custom and system fields, tags, ticket status, brand, assignee group, and assignee agent. When you press the View Tickets button, you will be taken to the page where you can see and manage all tickets in the campaign. For example, you can delete tickets or send a follow-up. If this tutorial is helpful, subscribe to our channel and social media you can find in the description below. Also, visit ourgrowth.com to learn more about the proactive campaigns features. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.